So one of the quickest things and easiest things to help with low back pain is breathing properly. So I'm going to show you a really easy breathing technique that you can do either seated or standing or laying down. So if you're standing, your feet are about shoulder width apart, and what you want to do is actually sink your tailbone down. So your knees are going to bend down a little bit, just like this. So you feel all the weight in your feet, and then you feel your back kind of open up when you sink your tailbone down. So when you do that, you're in the correct position and the weight's in your feet. Your hands are just gonna go and relax by its side. You can also put on your stomach just to help you figure out how to breathe properly. So when you take a deep breath in, you wanna bring the air into your belly. So you wanna feel the expansion in your lower abdomen more. Because a lot of times people breathe in their chest, so they're breathing too much up here. So you wanna bring your breath down into your stomach. So when you breathe in, feel the expansion in your stomach. You can put your hand here, breathe out. You can also put your other hand in the back so you feel the expansion in all directions. So breathe in, out, in, out, breathe in, out. And I already feel my back start to relax when I do this. So again, if you have your arms by your side, the shoulders are nice and relaxed. Think of everything as rounded. So you're gonna breathe in, out. And you feel the whole body kind of relax, and your low back pain can feel better when you do that. So it's all about breathing correctly. So I hope that helps you with your low back pain.